Hey guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching statistics videos related. And in this one, we are discussing the MA economics, and you are watching Encyclo Hub. So in this one question, the question 4 we are discussing. Before starting this question, I want to share something. We are providing all the questions of this assignment. So if you need all the answers, so you can contact on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on our screen, which is 900 936 8238, and you can also call us on our WhatsApp number. So this is the question, which is question number 4, which is till 17th country, India was the largest GDP contributor worldwide. Give an account of reasons for disruption of the traditional Indian economy during British period. So this is the question. If you we have to write in a 700 words limit. So we have prepared a 700 words limits answer of all the questions from first to last. So if you need all the answers in a PDF form, so this is a paid service. You can call on, you can message us also. Thank you so much for watching this video.